friends, so for Mini Kit Monday, I'm going to use this Cocoa Vanilla collection. It's called Daydream, and I've already hauled it once. And I received this from Scrapbook Your Joy. They asked me to design with it this month, and that's what I'm doing. I've done one layout with it already, and that is way too close. You got to see my jammies. Anywho, I'm not going to go through page by page by page because I already hauled it, and that would be getting a little obnoxious about it. Look at how gorgeous this paper is. I mean, I just love this scrap. So I have 2 of each of the gorgeous papers, right? And I have, well, I'll show you. I'm just trying to show you how pretty these papers are, right? They're beyond gorgeous. They are watercolory, like you know, but there's these like deep mustards and navy and wood grain. So they're like rich pastel, if that makes sense to you. All right, I did get the 6x8, I'll call it a paper pad, but it's not bound. I just keep it in a little mouse purse, and you see I have some scraps going already. I have all of those. In the collection kit itself, the 6x12 sticker sheet was there, and I did use just a couple of pieces of that so far. I'm hoping to use a lot more. I used one of the titles so far from these die cut titles, and these are super cool because they're like a charcoaly black color. So with that in mind, I decided while I'm using it, I'm going to be bringing in this charcoal color of ink because it ties it in super nice with this collection when you're wanting to bring in some of that charcoaly black color, and it makes sense for the rest of the collection. So I guess the ink is one of my things too. I do have the ephemera, die cuts, whatever you call them. And like I said, I did do one layout. So I used a bunch of hearts. So that's what I used from it. Just the hearts and then a word and a tab. So I have this big old amount. And let me show you what the full set looked like. Right there. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So I have that. Cannot wait to use all of these little flower bits. I'm so excited about it. Okay, I have that. Next, I have almost the full set of these ridiculously gorgeous pieces of kind of like corduroy puffies. And they have dimension, but they squish all the way down, so you can still use them in scrapbooking. I've got 5 out of the 6 flare that go with this collection. And then, oh, I still have this beautiful, beautiful floral piece, but I'm not putting that on a layout. It's a little too chunky for me for that. So I have to come up with a really special card. My mother's birthday is in September. Shh, don't say anything. She doesn't watch many of my videos. Okay, now, her friend does though. And then in this sheet as well, this little Daydream Vanilla, or I'm sorry, Cocoa Vanilla Daydream piece. It was called Sequins and Flowers, and these are the sequins. Look at that. There's flowers and leaves and all kinds of goodness in there. So I have all of this to play with. Once again, thank you so much to the store called Scrapbook Your Joy for sending this to me. I'll leave the link for them down below, of course. And what else to tell you? So I'm going to be using all these goodies. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to ask. I will have the links down below as well, of course, for my Mini Kit Monday friends. They're like the best ever in the history of ever. And oh, any questions, comments, leave them down below. I'll have the link for Scrapbook Your Joy, and I think that's it. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Oh, and I'll also have the link for the Mini Kit Monday message board down below because we have so much fun there. All right, that's it, really, really. Bye, friends.